In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best drum sanders in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which drum sanders is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Jet JWDS 1020 Benchtop Drum. Regular top quality, heavy-duty die-cast lightweight aluminum and also steel body offers strength. Optimal feed rates, infinitely variable rate control permits the customer to select the best feed rate. Fast rough modifications, toolless abrasive take-up bolts make changes quick as well as simple. Security from warmth. The extruded lightweight aluminum drum is created to dissipate heat and shield timber from heat damage. Strong board assistance, precision flattened enhanced steel conveyor bed sustains the boards passing under the fining sand drum. The small JWDS 1020 benchtop sander from Jet loads an effective 1 HP electric motor that will certainly sand boards up to 3 inch thick as well as 20 vast. The cutting-edge trademarked dirt hood guarantees dust is channeled to the 4-inch dust port that conveniently links to a dust collector. Readjusting the table back to parallel is convenient with simply the turn of a dial. The self-cooling extruded lightweight aluminum fining sand drum secures the fining sand surface from heat damage, stopping waste. Here is the item number 4, Restorer Kit Sanding Drums. The initial conservator that sands, grinds, enthusiasts, and polishes on all kinds of surfaces. Powerful 3.5 amp electric motor. The handgun grasp layout enables the driver to control the tool with one hand or utilize the front hand grasp to function vertically or above. Included are 60 and also 80 grit fining sand sleeves and paint and 46 grit corrosion cleaner wheel. Compatible with all conservator devices. The brand new Restorer is able to achieve a selection of tasks that typically call for the use of several hand tools and power tools. The Restorer is a trademarked handheld or benchtop tool that can be made use of to enthusiast, sand, work, polish, scrub or tidy any kind of surface. Its layout makes the Restorer extremely balanced as well as small for navigating in tight locations and around difficult challenges in any type of surface, flat or bent, wet or dry. The Restorer can be fitted with any sort of roller from sanding sleeves, abrasives to wire wheel and also everywhere in between. It is compatible with all conservator accessories. The item number 3, BUCKTOOL BD4801 Bench Belt. Effective motor, the belt and also disc sander is directly driven by the electric motor shaft, 3 or 4 HP high power electric motor, as well as 3450 RPM disc rate supply effective and also secure outcome. Flexible belt, this belt of the benchtop belt sander is 4x 36 inch and also 80 grit, and also it can be placed horizontally or up and down to fulfill different requirements. The cast lightweight aluminum worktable can be slanted 0 to 45 degrees. This makes this device better ideal for all type of woodworking tasks. Secure disc, the size of the disc is 8 inch, a heavy steel cover is contributed to preventing the disc from drinking. There is a miter scale applicable for fixing the angle of the wood, and the cast aluminum worktable likewise can be changed. Specialist design, integrating decades of woodworking experience, we have developed a device that is better for individuals. 2 work tables for both disc and belt, 2 dirt ports permit a dust-free procedure when connecting with a dust enthusiast, and a tough cast aluminum base with rubber foot stops vibrations. Maintenance-free, this sander usage no belt, no gear, so you do not need to adjust the cog belt stress, change damaged cog belt like previously, but if you intend to hone steel, alter the sanding belt or disc after that you will certainly be excellent to go. Number 2 in our list, Line 10 Tool Sanding Drums. Additional long drum sanding set converts your drill or drill press right into a small spindle sander. Ideal for usage to revel rough edges and also cuts. Sand the inside surfaces of deep drilled openings. Tidy up bandsaw marks on contour cut. Look into the summary below wherefore included. The one-of-a-kind round shape of these drum sanders, as well as sleeves, enables you to finish and smooth out rounded locations of your workpieces like contours, makings, and also the within drilled openings, utilizing your fixed drill press for a freedom procedure or your drill for mobility. With 4 sizes to select from, you'll have a wide variety of distances to collaborate with. This kit permits you to use the devices you currently have and make use of them regularly. The rubber drum is mounted on a universal 1 or 4-inch shank, which offers you adaptability in your job. If you are looking for a mobile remedy for finding sand challenging and also tough to obtain locations in your work surface, you can attach the fining sand drum and also sleeve on any drill or pass-away grinder. If you are searching for a fixed remedy that will certainly conserve your time as well as act as a spindle sander in a pinch and a much smaller spending plan, you can mount it on your drill press. The top one in our list, Coceca 458 PCS sanding drums. The plan includes 458 items of rotary sanding bands, 24 packs of rotating sanding drum mandrels, and also 2 packs of the self-tightening drill chuck. 6 grits devices, 6 sorts of fining sand drum grits, 80 grit, 120 grit, 240 grit, 320 grit, 400 grit, and 600 grit. Size: 3 sizes of sanding drum sleeves, 1, 2 inches, 3, 8 inches as well as 1, 4 inches. Wide application: this rotary tool fining sand accessories set would fulfill mostly all your requirements in nut carving, metal, timber, plastic, jade, circuit board, and also various other do-it-yourself processing. Easy to use, just require to glide the sanding drums into the drum sander, make certain the drum has actually been screwed securely, you can straight begin your task. We offer multi-grit sanding drums. You just need to move the sanding drums into the drum sander, you can directly start your project. Top quality sanding drums can be commonly used in nut sculpting, timber, metal, plastic, jade, circuit board, and also other do-it-yourself processing. Whether it's your initial Coceca purchase or you're back for more, rest assured that we remain in this together. We're dedicated to creating terrific items backed by pleasant, responsive solutions to delight our devoted clients around the world. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best drum sanders amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.